when we are making the world survive, there is a lecture being organized on a Sunday morning which says Surviving Med School 101. So I guess that is the biggest paradox in itself. And I actually congratulate the entire crew for coming up with and the topic honestly was suggested by these beautiful organizers as well. So thank you so much for bringing me on board. This is just a second. I'm currently doing my DNB super specialty with Sri Shankaradeva Netralaya Guwahati. I did my graduation and post-graduation from NHL Medical College, Ahmedabad. After that, worked for a year, served at Trust Hospital, and then have been a part of this Sri Shankaradeva Netralaya Guwahati. So yeah, I am on board from Guwahati with you, all of you guys. That's okay. That's fine. Yeah, so before we start, non-financial disclosure from my end, before any PPT, that's the professional way to do before you present a lecture. There is always a non-financial disclosure. Yeah, I'm kidding, man. We're medical students. We don't understand in finances for a decade. So that's just kidding on my part. So it's gonna be absolutely a light lecture. I don't want to preach anything nerdy. I don't want you guys to get into this shell of thinking कि एक 10 साल बड़ा बंदा आ गया इतना सारा ज्ञान छोड़ के चला गया. नहीं, I don't want to do that. I want you guys to be with me on board. And before we start, can I in the chat box talk to my audience? So what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to do a yes or a hand or some sort of an emojicon in the chat box whenever I ask a particular question. Who from us is from the first year? How many first years on the house do we have? Quickly type on the chat box so that I come to know the amount of crowd that I have. Who's there from the first year?
First years.
Yes. Yeah, we already have a lot of people who are there from the first year. Lovely. Who's there from the second year?
Oh, man.
Oh, lovely. We have a lot of first year. Chalo, awesome. Do one thing, put your year inside the chat box rather than a yes or something like that. Whoever is from the second year, put your second year. Whoever is from the first year, put your first year. Who's from the third year? We have a third year. Oh, I love third year for obvious reasons. I love third year.
Yes.
How many third years do we have? Chalo, awesome. We have a lot of clinical batches also. And how many final year students do we have on board?
So we are the
final year, sir.
We lovely. My crew is the final year. Awesome, man. Doctors to be soon. Do we have interns on the house?
Are there any?
Thank God. Interns are busy doing internship. If there was an intern, I would have told him, go collect samples. How's Corona out there for you guys? Everybody's safe and sound, right?
Yes.
Chalo, awesome. Now that I know the entire description and I almost know the kind of the statistical thing of my crowd, we are good to go. So yeah, no financial disclosures because there are no finances. Technically speaking, I'm a super specialty resident. I was a consultant a year ago when I used to earn decent amount of money, but now I'm back to the grassroots. I'm doing my secondary DNB. So yeah, it's gonna be a tough task for all of us. And now that almost most of you guys are probably a decade younger to me, I can connect where I was before almost a decade. So yeah, my sincere gratitude to my parents because they're biologically, socially, morally, and holistically responsible for me. My school because, well, it was beautiful. My undergrad and postgrad school for making me awesome. My present institute for refining that awesomeness. Trust me, I'm not being eccentric. I'm not being an arrogant person here. I genuinely mean gratitude. My sincere gratitude to every soul that has been around me, be it my juniors, be it my seniors, everybody. Yeah, because I'm social, and God because they say that He exists and has created everything. This was the formal part of the presentation. My sincere gratitude to the internet, the social media, and the meme universe, because the next lecture is going to constitute a lot of memes and a lot of things. You know, who's drawing this? Who's drawing the heart? You see a heart on the screen?
Yes, sir. Clearly.
Who's drawing that? You guys are doing it?
No.
Yes.
I have deleted.
So there are artists on board,
Yeah.
I guess.
Oh, lovely, man. So keep doing that. Whatever you're doing, I'm enjoying that. Keep doing that. And thank God TikTok has been banned. If there's anybody in the audience who is a TikTok fan, I am sorry, I don't know you. So thank you so much everybody for being on board. Before we start the lecture, I really want to, I really want to edge into the reason why I probably have decided, or the way Shubham and I interacted. It was very kind of Shubham to drop down a month ago, and he came up with a very beautiful suggestion that do something that probably changes the perspective of medical students. Now, I'm too tiny to change the perspective of the beautiful minds sitting here. But at the same time, there are things that I've done in my curriculum. There are things that I have been doing which have kept me sane. And trust me, I'm not being arrogant about it, because there's no point you should be arrogant about the things that you have done and about the things that you have virtually screwed up, virtually or practically or really screwed up. But if I can impart 1% of the thing that I had done in my process, I might be able to, change the course of even one person sitting here. I think I already have a participation crowd of 278 people, which is amazing. So to elaborate what happened, see, there are two types of seniors in the world. One, be it ragging or be it an experience, there are two types of seniors in the world. One, you think that मेरी ragging हुई है, मैं मेरे juniors की 3 गुना करूँगा. And there's the second category of senior who says that मेरी ragging हुई है, तो मैं अपने juniors की ragging नहीं करूँगा. The same thing applies to knowledge also. If your senior was kind enough to probably mark something for you, and if your senior was kind enough to knock on your door on the previous day of the examinations and come and wish you a best of luck or give you a tight hug, I guess you owe it to the society. So number one, teach. Teaching is probably the only thing in our entire curriculum which is not being taught to us. But medical students are supposed to be, probably we are the only people who are on board as consultants also, working in the hospital also. At the same time, we get a teaching post also. Like in absolutely no other institutes or in no other branches do the teaching people be on site. If you see an engineering institute, the engineers, the professors stay in the lectures. They don't go in the industry. We are the only branch which caters to both on-field and academic both. So keep teaching. And there's no proper time when you start teaching. Even if you're a second year student, start teaching your first year. Like I remember when I was a first year student, one of my seniors had come to me and challenged me that peritoneum is a particular subject that nobody understands. Peritoneum is probably the most of, you don't understand the lesser sag, the greater sag, the folding. I virtually gave 18 hours to that topic. And trust me, I was not a topper. Like I was a decent scorer, but I was not in the top 3 or the gold medal, etc. stuff. I sat with peritoneum for 18 hours in 2 days. I took up embryo, I took up BD Chorus, I took up Gray's Anatomy, I took up the Netter's Atlas and tried to figure it out. And then I went and taught 6 of my batchmates at different times of the, of the day. And that's how it revised. So start teaching. Teaching is something which is morally, you guys are morally indebted to be teaching your juniors or your batchmates. So start teaching, okay? So we get back to the thing. Yeah, so why medical? I want you guys to enter into the chat box. Give me one reason why you guys chose medical. Write in the chat box. I want to know, why did you choose medical? Start typing.
Come on, guys. Right.
Bad in maths, peer pressure, money, parents, interest. Parents, the white coat gives you feels, passion, parents' choice, noble profession. ऐसे ही किसने लिखा? बड़े नेक इंसान हो यार, ऐसे ही मेडिकल ज्वाइन कर लिया. Chalo, awesome. Love for medical, childhood dream to help society, curious to know how human body works. That's nice. To help someone decrease their pain, can handle, respect money, have a family of doctors. कभी कुछ और सोचा ही नहीं. सही बात है. No other option. Parents, बचपन में गलती से इंस्पायर हो गए थे सर. अभी श्री स्वयं बचपन में गलती से इंस्पायर हो गए थे सर. अरे तुम्हारे जैसी गलती करने के लिए लाखों लोग मर रहे हैं. उन लोगों को पूछो जिनको मेडिकल 1 मार्क से नहीं मिल रही है. Someone hurts ego. I still don't know true name, fame, money. Okay. So यार एक सही बात बोलूँ ना, तो यार I in the next 1 hour probably there would be instances where you would feel that I would kind of mock medical, but if you realize the joke is on you, the joke is on me, the joke is on you, the joke is on us. I think we belong to that super cool category of people who think that it is cool to abuse medical, but deep within, we realize that there are times we falter, there are times we fail to reach the expectations that we have from our own selves. एक 12th का बंदा जो क्लास में टॉपर था, जैसे ही मेडिकल स्कूल में आया, पता चला कि सब टॉपर हैं. तो प्रॉपर तारे जमीन पर की तरह डिनाइल में चला गया कि मैं क्यों ये एक्सेप्ट करूं कि मुझे डिसलेक्सिया है. मैं तो यही बोलूंगा कि मुझे करना ही नहीं. So when you realized that in a batch of toppers, मतलब जो 12th में सब swag था वो बहुत चलता था क्योंकि तुम मैथ्स और बायो में टॉप करते थे, and then suddenly you came down to the medical when everybody was a topper and you started realizing that yes, you had an identity crisis, you needed to do something out of the box, and that's why everybody started acting cool. यार सच्ची बात बताना मुझे, सच्ची, ठीक है, सच्ची बात बताना, कौन मेडिकल में 12th से ज्यादा पढ़ा है? सच्ची, फाइनल ईयर वाले भी ये चीज बोलो, सेकेंड ईयर जिसने क्रैक किया, या 12th वाला स्ट्रेस याद करो और मेडिकल वाला स्ट्रेस याद करो. किसने मेडिकल में ज्यादा पढ़ाई की है 12th से? ठीक है. And there's somebody asking me why I chose medical. यार, I was extremely passionate. I was good at maths. I belong to a time where we didn't have NEET at that. I'm from 2008 batch. Why did I choose medical? यार, human body fascinated me. Like मैं मैथ्स में डिसेंट था, like काफी अच्छा था. तो मॉम डैड ने एक ऑप्शन दिया कि यार 10 साल के बाद तू एक मशीन के साथ काम करना चाहता है या तू ह्यूमन बॉडी के साथ काम करना चाहता है. सो यार, it goes without saying that yes, I wanted to work with human body. And यार, to make matters worse, यार अगर पैसों की बात होती है, I understand that medical is not the right field to earn money. As a first year student, as a second year student, as a third year student, as a fourth year student, it becomes a little difficult to kind of need dynamics how it works. But at 27, at 28, when you stop taking money from your father, when you start being medically and independent, economically independent, you kind of realize that earning money from medical is tough. Like the engineers that I know who have been placed into probably ONGC and Reliance and Tata Chemicals and all have started making money from 2013 because I belong to 2008 batch. 2012 में उनका खत्म हो गया था. 2013 से they were earning. I started earning. I had my first salary in 2018. So trust me, medical is not the right. Money is probably not the only answer that would come up in this. But at the same time, I agree to you that all the reasons, if you make a pie chart, there are different reasons why people took up medical, right? So let's try and explore individually why medical. The topic is surviving med school 101. Is your story actually a story about survival? मतलब सच्ची बताओ यार, मतलब सच्ची. जो 228 295, we already have 295 people on board. जो 295 लोग आए हो, सच्ची बोलो, ओके? एंटरटेनमेंट लेने आए हो ना? क्योंकि सर्वाइवल की तो तुम लोगों को पड़ी नहीं है, क्योंकि तुम लोग फैसिनेटिंगली सर्वाइव कर रहे हो. ठीक है, सर्वाइव नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम लोग जिंदगी जी रहे हो. लेकिन हाँ, ये बात है कि there's always a touch of essence, or there's always a touch of reality that probably brings to you. And maybe, yeah, today's scenario is about survival. I'm not talking about COVID, to be honest. I'm not talking about COVID. I'm actually talking about the entire frustration that you guys are talking about. I guess you guys will be facing next, right? I didn't have next at my time. I gave NEET. So I took a drop. I cracked it in my second attempt. It took me time. Even I sat back because I always wanted medicine or ophthalm. अगर मेडिसिन और इंटरवेंशन का कीड़ा था, मतलब हाथ में वो दैट अ सर्जन्स काइंड ऑफ सर्जन्स इच इन द हैंड्स, आई ऑलवेज हैड। तो अगर मैं मेडिसिन लेता तो मैं शायद कार्डियो करता या मैं शायद गैस्ट्रो करता, क्योंकि इंटरवेंशन करना था। And often because I wanted lifestyle, somehow I wasn't very comfortable with a branch as hectic as orthopedics or gynac, because I simply didn't have a taste for that. Like, I loved surgery, but probably I was enjoying more of the other things, which were beyond medical in life. Not taking my way off from medical at the same time. So is your journey really about survival? I'm questioning you guys. I understand after reading 11th class, NEET aspirants be like, patient kidhar hai? The first time when you got into a first year, everybody started questioning you कि तुझे इंजेक्शन देना आता है या कैप्सूल देते हैं या टैबलेट देते हैं, किस तरह से यू आर द डॉक्टर इन द सोसाइटी व्हेन यू आर फर्स्ट ईयर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट। एवरीबडी, यार मैं तो हड्डियां घर लेकर गया था। आई लिटरली टेकन अ बोन सेट होम। I'm not kidding. I taken a bone set home and I was flaunting everybody like, this is femur, this is humerus, this is a hip bone. So I understand it was, it was kind of a very showy scenario, because I'm the first doctor in my family. So I understand how it works. So all those people who say that because the parents are doctors, trust me, it's super cool to have doctor parents. I understand that you will say that हमें ही पता है डिनर टेबल पर क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है, but it's always good to have somebody you can discuss medical with. Trust me for that. I assure you that. So yeah, now before I proceed, I really want to confess, and I want to make you guys confess something very, very serious. I want a confession from all of you, and I want you guys to confess it on the chat box, okay? And I want you guys to confess it on the chat box. Ready? Please honestly confess, okay? It's very important for me. I'm probably publishing a paper on your answers. I'm going to do a research about this particular thing that I'm going to ask, and I'm going to enter data. So please, ठीक है, मुझे इसका honest answer चाहिए.
सबसे बड़ा स्कैम है सर ये, बिगेस्ट स्कैम एवर।
तुम लोगों ने खरीदा था क्या? सच्ची बोलो।
सर तीनों वॉल्यूम्स
सीनियर से लिया था।
किसी ने बोला कॉलेज वालों ने प्रोवाइड किया था। यार कौन सा ऐसा अच्छा कॉलेज है जो कनिंघम प्रोवाइड करता है? पढ़ा था, डिसेक्शन हॉल में लेके जाते थे। अर्पित, डिसेक्शन हॉल में लेके जाते थे या क्या किया था? सच्ची सच्ची बता। शुभम, तूने खरीदा था?
सर मैंने तो सीनियर से मांगी थी बुक। डायसेक्शन हॉल में लेके जरूर जाते थे, पर बुक कभी खुली नहीं है।
हमारी रैगिंग में सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ईयर में हम लोगों को उल्टा बोला था। हमारे है ना, वी हैड एन ओल्ड वॉल्यूम, तो हम लोगों को ऐसा बोला था कि सरफेस मार्किंग सारे रटने होते हैं एंड सारा क्लिनिकल ऑप्शन में निकालना होता है। तो पहली टर्म एंडिंग में मैं पूरा सरफेस मार्किंग रट के गया था और मैं पूरा क्लिनिकल ऑप्शन में छोड़ के गया था। यार 2 मार्क आए थे मुझे 50 में से, लिटरली। यार एक सही बात बोलो, कौन कौन फर्स्ट पार्ट एंडिंग में फेल हुआ था? तुम दोनों क्या फेल हुए थे, पास हुए थे पहली पार्ट एंडिंग में? अर्पित, शुभम?
सर पास हो गया था सर, मैं तो
टॉपर है क्या?
50 आए थे मेरे, ठीक 50।
टॉपर है क्या?
जी सर, ये टॉपर
सर
है।
आ जाते नंबर, मतलब
पास तो थे, एक आधे नंबर से
सर,
पास,
बस
जस्ट पास।
नहीं यार, हमारी तो 150 की बैच थी, हमारे में तो सिर्फ 19 लोगों को पास किया था यार। तो मैं तो पास नहीं हुआ था। हाँ, यूनिवर्सिटी में रैंक अच्छा आया था, अप्रोक्सीमेटली यूनिवर्सिटी रैंक अच्छा था, फ्लॉट नहीं करना चाहता था, पर हाँ मैं तो मस्त ऐसे बकर फैलाई थी और फेल हुआ था। सही है, तो आगे बढ़े। So yeah, this is a secret of the first year. If there's any first year watching this particular part, जाके बोलियो मत कि मैंने ऐसे बोला। एनेट वाले फोन करके मुझ पे चिल्लाएंगे कि तुम लोग क्यों हमारा ये कर रहे हो, और ऑक्सफोर्ड मेडिकल पब्लिकेशन वाले फेल करके बोलेंगे फोन करके कि ये फाइनेंशियल डिस्क्लोजर के नाम पे हमारा सेल बंद करवाएगा। चलो क्रैक दिस।
अरे
In the chat box, crack this.
आई थिंक सब
बोलना
जानते
मत।
होंगे इनको। यस यस नहीं
चलो
बोलता।
अच्छा तो आ रहा है। भाई कुछ लोग तो उसका पूरा नाम लिख रहे हैं, काफी शिद्दत है यार, काफी अच्छे लोग हैं। भगवान दास चौरसिया मुझे भी नहीं पता था यार। और कोई इस लेक्चर का स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं ले रहा है, ठीक है। पता चला कल अर्पित, मैं और शुभम पब्लिशर्स को आंसर दे रहे हैं और उन लोगों ने मानहानि का केस ठोक दिया।
सर कुछ भी कर सकते हैं सर।
सही है, awesome है यार। So honestly speaking, I'll come to after every year. How have I planned this? After every year, I'll give you life hacks of the things that I used to do. और यार तुम लोग भी अपने inputs दे सकते हो, शुभम और अर्पित। If you have any particular inputs, you can genuinely stop me in between, okay? यार कौन रिचा खंडेलवाल uses के मोरे करके किताब आती है क्या?
आती है।
जनरेशन गैप महसूस हो रहा है मुझे।
सर मुझे भी नहीं
हमारे में
पता
तो
था
दो
सर
एक्सट्रीम्स थे, एक बीडी चौरसिया था और एक सीधा था ग्रेज एनाटॉमी। बस उसके बीच में कुछ था ही नहीं। एक स्नेल्स आती थी, हम लोग स्नेल्स पढ़ते थे। हाँ, विश्राम में। Oh, there's somebody from Georgia. Oh, nice. Hi, we have people abroad also. That's nice. Good to see you. कनिंघम कौन लिख रहा है? कनिंघम पढ़ना पूरा यूनिवर्सिटी कनिंघम में जाके पढ़ना, ठीक है? मस्त बेस्ट बुक है, सबसे अच्छी बुक है। उसके नाम में ही कनिंघम है, सब कनिंघम रट के पहली लाइन से आखिरी लाइन तक पढ़ के जाना, 110% फुल मार्क्स आएंगे, ठीक है? मस्त। कनिंघम फॉरएवर। यस कनिंघम। वी आर फ्रॉम। कौन तुम्हारे आर्टिस्ट बड़े ही नेक है यार, ये क्या कर दिया पूरा मेरे स्क्रीन पर।
Sir, you can close the annotation from your side.
That's okay यार, I don't mind. I'm enjoying that. I'm just kidding.
ओके सर।
So this was my ANAT first year. Identify this nerve. And this was my first year physiology. And this was my first year biochem. So yeah, taking about the first years. So yeah, surviving first year now for enough of masti. Surviving first year is a very difficult job. The next 2 minutes, I'm actually going to talk about something how to survive first year. See, first year, probably to students who are also in third year and final year, first year is actually a basic. When you come into surgery, when you come into final year, or when you come into medicine, or when you take up medicine as an MBA branch, you will not get time to revise your lung capacities. You won't. Am I audible?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
There's no problem with my audio, right?
No sir.
Okay. So when you become a part of your medicine, you are not going to have time to realize that you missed out on lung capacities. When you are going to be a part of pediatrics, you are not going to understand the hemoglobin curve once again. When you are going to take up orthopedics, it's going to be very difficult to remember the, kind of the attachments and origin. I'm not kidding. As an ऑफ्थाल, मेरी ऑफ्थाल खत्म हुए 3 साल हो गए थे और जब मैं रेसिडेंसी में था, मैं तब भी बीडी चौरसिया के न्यूरो में से ऑफ्थाल का ऑर्बिट पढ़ता था। सो योर बेसिक्स आर बेसिक्स। कितना भी सुपर कूल लगे कि बायोकेम बेकार है, फिजियो समझ नहीं आती, एनेट रटने वाली करो। There is no option to first year. There are 2 years that I always believe. There are 3 subjects which form the pivot of the entire medical curriculum: ANAT, physio and pharmac. ये 3 इतनी आगे जाके काम लगेगी even NEET में. You cannot imagine. See, patho I don't, because patho is the universe in itself. You will see a lot of glimpse of patho in medicine because the pathology of disease will be discussed once again. Micro will be again discussed in the individual diseases. Like अगर मैं ऑफ्थाल हूँ और अगर मैं रेटिनोब्लास्टोमा ऑफ्थाल में पढ़ रहा हूँ तो उसमें मैं पैथोलॉजी भी वापस पढ़ूंगा. पर आज जब मुझे पता है, या आज जब मेरा पेशेंट एम्योडेरोन पर वोल लाइक ओपेसिटीज लेकर आता है कॉर्निया का, तो मुझे ये चीज पता है कि एम्योडेरोन में ये चीज हो सकती है. द मोमेंट आई take the history, I know what to suspect. The moment I see the patient is on beta blockers, systemic beta blockers, the patient is on corticosteroids, I know that I have to suspect glaucoma or cataract in the patient. So there is absolutely no shortcut to your basics. So that's all from my side about first year. Out of the box क्या करना है वो सब मैं फाइनल में एक sum up करके बता दूंगा. Arpit, Shubham, do you have any other inputs for the first year students? You guys are equally my colleagues right now. If you have any inputs, please feel free to share.
सर मुझे तो बायोकेमिस्ट्री बहुत पसंद थी जब फर्स्ट ईयर में आया था, तो मैंने वो डीएम वासुदेवन और वो हार्पर बहुत मतलब एक्साइटमेंट में खरीदे थे और
मस्ती हार्पर यार,
पढ़ा था.
हम लिपिनकॉट पढ़ते थे.
हाँ सर, लिपिनकॉट भी मतलब काफी मतलब चलता था. और सर वो बीडीसी तो सर मतलब बीडीसी तो सर पढ़ना मतलब सही है, मतलब लोग मतलब और शॉर्टकट्स ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेकिन बीडीसी तो इज अ मस्ट टू रीड कंप्लीटली. हमारे बोलते थे एचओडी सर की वो कवर टू कवर पढ़ लेना, तो वो एक है सर, बहुत सही चीज है, बहुत सही चीज है.
मतलब यार आज भी अगर मुझे ऑप्टिक नर्व की एनाट पढ़नी है ना, तो मैं ऑप्थेल की बुक से नहीं पढ़ूंगा, मैं बीडीसी से ही पढ़ूंगा, क्योंकि काफी सुंदर दिया है, काफी सुंदर दिया है. So I think that sums up the first year. We'll shift to the second year.
So we are getting response on YouTube as well. वहाँ पे भी लोग काफी chat box में लिख रहे हैं.
यार can I multitask? मुझसे नहीं होगा ना, मैं YouTube नहीं देख पाऊंगा.
I'll inform you if there is anything important. I'll inform.
एक काम करना, मुझे शुभम एक काम कर, मुझे WhatsApp कर देना, मैं फोन पे YouTube चालू रखता हूँ.
Okay, I'll share the link with you.
हाँ, मुझे YouTube की लिंक WhatsApp कर दे, मैं बाजू में फोन पे वो चालू रखता हूँ, so that I can also keep seeing what the responses are. So yeah, we'll proceed further. Second year. यार सेकेंड ईयर यूज्ड टू बी माय मोस्ट फेवरेट ईयर, क्योंकि एक तो थर्ड सेमेस्टर आता है जिसमें पल्स आता है, बहुत सारे मेडिकल फेस्ट आते हैं. एंड सेकेंड ईयर, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर में यार तुम लोग यू आर टू नाइव, यू नो, यू आर टू नाइव. फर्स्ट ईयर में हमारा ऐसे सबैटिकल सिर्फ मैकडॉनल्ड्स हुआ करता था. सेकेंड ईयर में हमें पता चला कि हाँ, इस तरह से भी एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. नए दोस्त बने, नया ग्रुप बना, नई परसेप्शंस आई लाइफ के लिए कि ये चीजें हम कर सकते हैं. So I think second year was the most favorite year of every like I don't know, I love second year. I guess you guys would agree to me as well. क्योंकि थर्ड फर्स्ट तो यार इतना छोटा होता है कि कब आकर निकल जाता है पता नहीं चलता. पर सेकेंड ईयर सब्जेक्ट्स भी काफी प्यारे हैं, सब बस है. मुझे तो फॉरेंसिक बहुत पसंद रहती थी. सो या आई थिंक सेकेंड ईयर वाज माय मोस्ट फेवरेट ईयर. The next slide. So that's Pharmac. It's going to be a difficult thing and काफी होती थी. कौन सी बुक्स पढ़ते थे तुम लोग?
सर केडीटी.
शानबाग.
वो शानबाग हमारी जनरेशन में नहीं थी यार. शानबाग came a little later when I was in second year. हमारे पास सिर्फ तुम लोग सत्यनारायण नहीं, क्या नाम था उसका, सतोषकर पढ़ते थे क्या?
No sir.
नहीं सर.
Never heard of it.
सर हमें वो बोला था सीधे सर कि या तो केडीटी पढ़ लो या गुडमैन गिलमैन उठा लो.
गुडमैन गिलमैन में
तो हमने शानबाग
सीवीएस और ये गुडमैन गिलमैन में बहुत अच्छा दिया था. सीवीएस और एंटी माइक्रोबियल्स बहुत सही दिया उसमें, मतलब काफी अच्छा लगता था यार वो पढ़ के. पर डर लगता था यार, गुडमैन गिलमैन वाज अ लिटिल हेवी टू फिनिश, बट या केडीटी वाज ऑफ कोर्स लव. केडीटी वाज ऑफ कोर्स लव. पैथो में क्या किया था तुम लोगों ने?
सर एक तो कंफ्यूजन रहती थी सर कि पैथोलॉजी बेसिस ऑफ डिजीज पढ़ना है या बेसिक पैथोलॉजी पढ़नी है. रॉबिन्स की दोनों अलग अलग सर बुक्स है ना, तो उसी में होता था कि उसमें 2 वॉल्यूम है, इसमें 1 वॉल्यूम है, ये लो वो लो. और फिर बोलता था हर्षमोहन ले लो. तो बहुत मतलब इसका अलग ही थोड़ा ट्रिप चढ़ा है पैथो का कि क्या पढ़े क्या पढ़े।
On the YouTube, we don't have a kind of the visual of us also in the right side.
I'll check.
Yeah. So I guess Robbins was a very comprehensive. Robbins प्यार था. Robbins was a very beautiful book we used to read. And Robbins was actually love. Robbins was love. Harsh Mohan भी साथ साथ पढ़ लेते थे. But yeah, two things that I'll tell you for you guys that in PG entrance, patho साइड प्रैक्टिकली पैथो कैसे पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़ना है, पैथो बहुत सही चीजें दी हुई है। जो शॉक की शॉर्ट नोट्स है या जो कोई जो न्यूरो के कंसेप्ट्स हैं वो हाशिमोटोस थायराइडाइटिस से लेकर लंग्स का ब्लू ब्लोटस से पिंक पफर्स वाली सारी कंसेप्ट सारा अमेजिंग। हेमैट या हेमैट वाज ब्यूटीफुली गिवन इन पैथो। सो या वी यूज that and it's fun, right? And the next micro Anand Narayan Panikkar was of course a treat, and it was always super fun to watch and to read Panikkar. I hope the PPT is audible to you, is seen to you guys, right?
Yes sir, it's clearly visible.
Yeah. And finally, forensic science. I used to love forensic science. I never was a topper in my second years, but yeah, forensic was the only subject in my entire MBBS curriculum जिसमें मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिला था। मुझे बहुत। और forensic एक ऐसी subject है जिसका in PG entrance forensic probably is the only subject in which you can actually score 10 on 10. हमारे टाइम नीट में 10 questions आते थे forensic के, and we could literally score 10 on 10 in forensic in need. Do you have any particular tips, Shubham and Arpit, for your juniors for second year?
सर टिप्स तो नहीं, लेकिन सर एक स्टोरी है। मतलब सर हम लोग को ना मतलब फॉरेंसिक में ना सर मतलब काफी डर का माहौल रहता था हम लोगों में, क्योंकि एक ही सब्जेक्ट मतलब एक ही पेपर होता है, उसमें उसी में पास करना है। तो ये काफी डर लोगों में रहता था कि एक में ही करना है तो करना है, क्योंकि बाकी में तो दो पेपर है, माइक्रो में पैथो में, तो एक में कम आ गया दूसरे में ज्यादा आ जाएगा। इसमें आर्या पार है इसमें। तो
यार हमारे तो प्रैक्टिकल में बहुत परेशान करते थे यार, दुनिया के सारे परवर्जन्स पूछ लेते थे और सब लॉन्डो की यही फेवरेट चीज होती है। जाकर पूछा व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट, तो सारे बोलते थे मेरे फेवरेट है सेक्शन आर यू वेरी वेल वर्स्ड विद, तो सेक्शन 377। सबको सेक्शन 377 आता था और उस पर पूरा वाइवा चला जाता था और फिर उस पर मस्ती करते रहते बकर करते थे पूरे एफएम वाले। बट आई थिंक एफएम वाज अ वेरी स्वीट सब्जेक्ट यार। अब जाकर जब a lot of Sushant Singh Rajput things are coming, और यार पता है as a senior there's a very important survival tip that I'm giving you. This is tip, like first tip was teach and teach your juniors. The second tip that I would really want to tell you is take medical legal aspects very seriously. You guys won't realize it right now at this moment of time, but 10 years later जब तुम्हारा कंसेंट फॉर्म साइन नहीं होगा या जब डेथ सर्टिफिकेट में कोई लोचा होगा या जब पेशेंट तुम्हारे पास आया और तुमने प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं किया है, तब बहुत ज्यादा गंदा फंसोगे। सो टेक योर मेडिकल लीगल एस्पेक्ट very seriously. Who's messing around with the screen? Please, I request you guys not to mess around with the screen so much. Yeah, so I really think that take your medical legal aspects very seriously. I remember मेरे पास एक पेशेंट आया हुआ था जिसको ट्रॉमा की हिस्ट्री थी, तो उसने आकर ऐसे बोला कि मेरा हाथ लग गया था, तो मैंने उसकी सुचरिंग कर दी। मैंने कंसेंट और पेपर वर्क सारा अच्छा रखा था। दूसरे दिन I literally had cops at my hospital to inquire if the procedures and what were the findings. So touch wood that I had already issued an MLC case on the previous day. मैंने सारा medical legal work sorted रखा था, वरना तुम फंस सकते हो। That is, take your medical legal aspects very seriously. So now I shift to the third year. I think third year is the shortest and सबसे छोटा और सबसे concise, जो सबसे cute वाला अगर कोई year है तो वो third year है. और of course third year सबको पसंद होना चाहिए क्योंकि third year मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है और third year मेरा favorite year है. तो third year second year से भी प्यारा है, ठीक है. So, PSM fans in the house, chat पे PSM के fans कौन-कौन है बता दीजिए.
PSM fans. No.
No.
I hate PSM. No. Oh. So fans are haters हैं तो.
Honestly speaking, I know तुम लोगों की hatred मैं रोकना नहीं चाहता. Do really screw your hatred up. But इस epidemic या इस pandemic पे सबसे अगर कोई इंसान useful है हमें तो PSM department. So 3 cheers to the entire preventive and social medical fraternity out there. Like, you guys are the actual saviors of us. I agree to that. Further, ENT was always very cute. I used to love ENT. ENT was always very eye around the close, the sinuses, or I used to enjoy studying. So yeah, ENT was always good. And if you guys have any other tips for this, I would appreciate it from you. Do you have any tips for PSM or ENT for my beautiful crowd who is watching this particular session?
सर ENT मतलब काफी अच्छी पोस्टिंग्स हुई थी सर इसमें ENT और ऑफ्था की. मतलब बहुत ही स्वीट से प्रोफेसर्स थे सारे डिपार्टमेंट में थर्ड ईयर के. तो मतलब इतने अच्छे से वो माइक खत्म हो गया सर ईयर. वो बहुत ही मतलब हम लोग के लिए सर हनीमून प्रॉफ तो थर्ड ईयर है तो. और नंबर भी सर बहुत देते हैं. ऑफ्था में नंबर बहुत मिलते थे तो सब फुल के नंबर देते हैं.
PSM की हमारी अलग-अलग सेंटर्स में लेके गए थे. इट वाज नाइस. बट तब गर्मी का टाइम था तो इतना मजा नहीं आया.
यार मुझे इंटर्नशिप में PSM की पोस्टिंग में सबसे प्यार आता था क्योंकि यार उस टाइम पे डॉक्टर वाली फीलिंग आती थी. वो अकेला सब्जेक्ट, इकलौता सब्जेक्ट ऐसा था जिसमें इंटर्नशिप में ऐसे फील होता था जैसे ओपीडी तुम्हारी है. बाकी सब तो कोई समोसा लेने भेज देता था, कोई चटनी लेने भेज देता था, कोई शेड्यूल लिखवा देते. इंटर्नशिप में आओगे तब तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा. आई डोंट नो वेदर इन दी COVID era there are people, somebody is asking standard books. यार I studied ढिंगरा. मैंने ढिंगरा पढ़ा था. I'm not sure about everybody else, but मैंने तो ढिंगरा पढ़ा हुआ था. और टर्नर आया करता था साथ में. टर्नर ही हुआ था पर वो मैंने नहीं पढ़ा. मैंने सिर्फ ढिंगरा पढ़ा है.
और सर ऑफ्था में पार्सन
आ रहा हूँ ऑफ्थल पे आ रहा हूँ. अभी भी इंतजार कर रहे हो ऑफ्थल के मीम के लिए?
सर एनोटेट क्लोज ही कर दो.
नहीं that's okay, करने दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. करने दो लोगों को, करने दो जो भी करना है करने दो. चलो एक सेल्फ एक्सेंट्रिक मीम है, खुद के ऊपर ही एक मीम अच्छा वाला है. एंड सो इन माय पास्ट टाइम आई एम अ फॉलोअर ऑफ स्टैंड अप माई सेल्फ. मुझे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी बहुत पसंद है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द जोक्स दैट वी यूज्ड टू क्रैक. And this is the Ofthal meme that.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
So yeah, third, when you start getting serious, yeah. Third year is the year when you start getting serious. I think I don't belong to a trend where PG entrances and PG classes were being done in a great level at that time. But eventually I started realizing हम लोगों के टाइम पे PG classes third first में बहुत कम लोग join करते थे. I'm very happy कि अभी सारे PG classes third exploring clinics, man. Go to clinics. I've been a big fan of attending clinical subjects, and I think जितना एक बुक नहीं पढ़ाता उतना एक पेशेंट पढ़ाता है. मुझे याद है जो हर्निया है, प्रोबेबली हाइड्रोसील है कि फिर अल्सर है या वेरिकोज वेन्स है, ये सारी चीजें मैंने थियोरी में कभी फाइनल ईयर में पढ़ी नहीं, ये सारी क्लिनिक्स में ही खत्म हो गई थी. ब्रेस्ट लंप एग्जामिनेशन है, फिर मेडिसिन में परकशंस है, मर्मर्स है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. ऑल दीस थिंग्स वर वेरी, इट वाज अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव अप्रोच. We used to take our textbooks into the clinics and we used to read that. So I really pray to all of you who are trying to survive medical. There's one thing that you really need to preach and really need to take it in your life. Attend your clinics seriously. I understand it is like everybody preaches, nobody practices themselves. But now coming to this side of the Parent Institute, when I was in Nagari Med School, I did it from Nagari Institute. We used to really teach our UG students. मतलब contrary to the belief, जब सब लोग UG वालों को भगा देते थे, हम पकड़ के उनको पढ़ाते थे. तो उनकी आधी थियोरी we used to make it a point कि ऑफ्थल में वो खत्म हो जाए. अभी तो मेरी सुपर स्पेशलिटी इंस्टीट्यूट है, तो I don't have undergraduates with me. But आज भी मेरे पुराने undergraduate students का मुझे फोन आता है जब भी ऑफ्थल में they are stuck up. So if your clinical subjects are good, I think that yes, you do need to make most of it. So now shifting to the final year, which is the most favorite subject of final year for both of you?
Psychiatry. Medicine.
Psychiatry पढ़ते हो?
सर psychology, psychiatry बहुत पसंद है मुझे.
अच्छा. सर मेरी तो सर.
To take that in future?
या psychology या फिर surgery, दोनों में से अभी चल रहा है काम.
ऑफ्थल नहीं पसंद?
नहीं, सर्जरी में ही आ गया ना वो सारा ब्रांच. सर्जरी एज अ होल अभी जैसे पढ़ेंगे धीरे धीरे वैसे एक्सपोजर होगा. अभी फाइनल ईयर में तो वैसे ही लॉकडाउन हो गया, एक्सपोजर ही नहीं हो पाया प्रैक्टिकल क्लिनिकल का कुछ.
I think your batch is going to be a very different kind of a batch, which will have a very different, very kind of an exposure. It is.
Sir,
your MBBS is still a very precious thing. ये कोविड एरा है. I understand that a lot of different things are happening to you, but I think you guys will work it out, है ना?
सर मतलब सेकेंड और थर्ड ईयर में सर मतलब अपने साथ ना लोग पोस्टिंग नहीं जाते थे, तो मैं और शायद शुभम मतलब हम लोग अकेले पोस्टिंग जाने वालों में से थे और काफी गालियां सुनी थी हम लोगों ने अपने बैचमेट से. लेकिन सेकंड थर्ड ईयर
में अर्पित और शुभम के बैचमेट्स यहाँ पर है, तो आप लोग एस्ट्रिक के साथ इस चैट बॉक्स में इन लोगों के लिए अच्छे शब्द लिख सकते हैं.
और फिर ये लोग कहते हैं कि लगा लेनी चाहिए थी साथ में तुम्हारे, अब फोर्थ ईयर में नहीं लगा पा रहे हैं. तो सबका यही प्लान था ना सर कि फोर्थ ईयर का सब्जेक्ट है, फोर्थ ईयर में करेंगे, तो अब वो हो नहीं पा रहा है फिक्र निकल. तो अब वही बात है कि पहले लगा लेनी चाहिए थी तुम्हारे साथ.
We have our own meeting here.
So this is all about medicine and yeah, surgery. I think surgery as a branch would be very difficult to, it would be very difficult to concise surgery in a minute. But I really think that surgery as a branch encompasses everything. I have always one quote that I used to say, that surgeon is the godfather of medical, because probably a surgeon is the one who can practice all the branches. He can practice medicine up to he can practice surgery, he can go to the final most. So take your surgery very seriously. Surgery will take you very far because it is a very huge subject. See, two subjects are very important. Harrison, like two books are very important, Harrison and Love and Billy. It makes you a complete doctor. It is absolutely okay to know ENT a little less. It is absolutely okay to know probably PSM a little bit. It's okay. But if you know your medicine and surgery, it's super cool. And yes, I agree to you. This is just a meme. I hope my people are intellectually qualified enough to understand sarcasm. Kabir Singh is the shittiest form of medical life that has happened. I do not promote drugs. I do not promote drinking. I do not promote wasting your life. I have never, ever been a fan of anybody consuming alcohol or consuming any form of substance on duty or off duty. And I believe that it is one of the worst things that has happened to the medical curriculum, that is Kabir Singh. And that is why I use it as a meme. Do not get inspired. If you want to survive, look at the right kind of people. Look at the right kind of seniors. It's always nice to see nice people. Agar dekhna hai to Dr. House dekho. If you saw the first slide, this is the man you should be inspired from. Like, I genuinely believe that this is what a good doctor is. Be inspired from House. Be inspired. Read the life stories of the Padma Shris. Read the life stories of the people who have won BC Roy Award. Do not get inspired by Kabir Singh. I understand that people consume these things in hostel life, which is okay. It is okay. लोगों की खुद की life है, जो करना है करने दो. But if it is your life, do not get inspired. Yeah, getting back to the subjects. Gynac is like, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Gynac is a subject that has paradoxical responses. जब भी मेरे पास बच्चे पूछ के आते थे कि हमें गायनेक पीजी ब्रांच के लिए लेना चाहिए, तो मैं सिर्फ एक बोलता था कि यार लो, गायनेक इज अ वंडरफुल ब्रांच, वेरी क्विक मनी, very nice patient pool, lot of surgical experience also, lot of surgical rush also, and a lot of reward mechanism. काफी सुकून पहुंचता है जब भी, whenever you deliver a baby and the baby is in your hand, and you feel so good about it. So that's what Gynaec is all about. But yeah, you should like it. You should like it. Gynaec is always extremes. Either you like it or you don't like it. I was not a big fan of Gynaec as a subject, but I had friends who were exceptionally passionate, and they're doing very well professionally right now. This is one of the biggest challenges that come when we start pediatrics, और pediatrics clinics में यही सबसे बड़ा लोचा होता है कि pediatric history taking is one of the worst part. मैं यार, मुझे ये चीज़ हमेशा मैं कोट करता हूँ. हम लोग ना 3 बजे फंडस कॉल्स के लिए वीएस में जाते थे. हम लोग जाकर फंडस कॉल्स देखते थे. फंडस को डायलेट होने में लगते थे. So we used to tell them that we come at 5 o'clock to the pediatrics ward. So from 3 o'clock, start instilling tropicamide and phenylephrine in the kids, or instilling other dilating drops. तो यार एक बार मैं पीडियाट्रिक के रोटेशन में गया, तो यार पेरेंट्स को पीडियाट्रिक के रेसिडेंट ने दे दिया होगा कि एवरी 10 मिनट्स ये एक ड्रॉप डालना. तो पेशेंट को पिला रहा था वो ड्रॉप, और मतलब एक बच्चे को वो आई ड्रॉप्स पिला रहे थे. It ceases to be funny at that moment of time, and it starts being sad, and it starts being cruel. So this is the most human branch. Probably pediatrician, like I'm a big fan of kids, and we also have pediatric ophthalmology as a branch. We have pediatric cataracts, we see pediatric squints, we see retinoblastomas, we see pediatric tumors, etc., etc. Whenever you want to, I always quote this, and I really quote this with heart. Ever in your life, if you want to measure the heights of the skies or the depths of the ocean, look into the eyes of a pediatric patient. And that's probably the most human form of doctor that you will ever see in life. Another such a branch is oncology, which touches me to the core. Pediatrics is another branch. So yeah, that probably sums up the entire. Both of you are final year students. Do you want anything else to ask? Do you have anything else that I can be of help to you guys? Please ask, or please share it with other people.
सर जैसे अभी एक चीज हम लोगों ने अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करा है, वो है फाइनल प्रॉफ के जो एग्जाम्स होंगे. वो बहुत ही खतरनाक होने वाले हैं. वो सब 4 सब्जेक्ट्स आएंगे और खतरनाक तरीके से मार के चले जाएंगे हमारे. तो उसका कुछ समाधान निकालिए सर. उसका बहुत टफ होता है.
So a lot of these people are, यार कोरोना has changed a lot of things, but I just take it slow. तुम्हारी थियोरी से इतना स्ट्रांग हो जाओ, प्रैक्टिकल्स को मिस मत करो, सारा टाइम मिलेगा क्लिनिक्स में आगे जाकर, सब यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. अभी थियोरी इतनी स्ट्रांग कर लो कि नीट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर हो जाए, बस वही मैं अभी तो आई अंडरस्टैंड कोविड हैज चेंज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव्स. देयर आर 2 or 3 things which I will sum up after this particular slide thing. So that was MBBS in a nutshell. But I was really here on a Sunday morning fighting for अब मैं सिर्फ 2 बातें बताने वाला हूँ तुम लोगों को. 2 बातें बहुत जरूरी बातें, और I think that is why the entire thing is going to encompass. 1, what things do you want to do that prevent you from being a nerd? What things would you do out of the box that you could do? So I know a friend of mine who is a chess grandmaster. Minus the COVID era from these entire equations, don't leave a single medical fest unattended. Like I used to play badminton, I used to play football for my institute, for my university, and we used to play it pretty seriously. I used to be associated with the stage. We used to do all the fests like amazingly good, like सारे concerts किए हैं, फिर बहुत सारी open mics किए, stand up became a part. So इन चीजों से यादें बनेगी. Identity crisis के लिए नहीं, लेकिन अगर तुम्हारी MBBS को अगर तुम्हें यादगार बनाना है, do something for your own self. Read good books, leave memories. यार बकर बहुत सारी करनी है, बहुत सारी करनी है, बहुत सारा टाइम वेस्ट करना है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जब पढ़ने बैठो तब दिल खोल के पढ़ लो, but do something which is productive to life. I understand sitting with 4 friends on a Sunday afternoon is amazingly awesome, but do something productive. Learn a music instrument, play a sport, do some form of art which keeps your identity beyond medical. People should know you, your colleagues should know you. Like I remember there was a patient of spine fracture in Ahmedabad which had been admitted at an orthopedic clinic जिसको यहाँ पर lid laceration थी. That person was connected to me on social media by some or the other way. The patient was from my hometown. I'm basically from Jamnagar, and I did my studies in Ahmedabad. So I was practicing 40 kilometers from Jamnagar for a year. I remember for that spine rehabilitation, the patient was admitted. When the patient was discharged, the patient was relatively stable. Patient ने पूछा मुझे lid tear के लिए क्या करना है. So that particular doctor told that patient that I know one eye surgeon जिसको मैं Facebook से जानता हूँ, उसका नाम है डॉक्टर भव्य बुकाड़ी. आप आँख उन्हें जाकर दिखा दीजिए. So you realize your social media connects. We are a very social branch. We are the only branch in the entire medical curriculum that has alumni which is so strong. 10 बैच ऊपर 10 बैच नीचे लोग कनेक्टेड है. आज इंजीनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में जाकर देखो, कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन वालों को बिल्कुल नहीं पता ईसी में कौन है, ईसी वालों को नहीं पता उनके 4 बैच के सीनियर्स कौन है, क्योंकि द बैच इज नॉट अ वेरी वेल lit branch. MBBS is a well lit family. That is one of the reasons that we say that it's a family. आज जो 10 साल पहले मेरे प्रोफेसर्स थे, आज वो मेरे कलीग्स हो चुके हैं, and they are so sweet, they're such sweethearts. Like approximately a year ago, I did the refraction of my own physiology teacher. I did a small foreign body removal. I treated conjunctivitis of my own of my own pharmac teacher के father. So it's very beautiful. It's a very nice, well-lit process, and I think that's good to be strong. The second thing that I will address is be a good doctor. Be really, really good doctor. See, if you have seen Slumdog Millionaire, जब उसके एक क्वेश्चंस का आंसर था तब उसे नहीं पता था कि वो चीज उसे कैसे आती है. Like you never know that a patient of rheumatoid arthritis will come to you with dry eyes. A patient of myasthenia gravis will come to you with ptosis. So medical, it's a very close-knit branch. You never know when things of medicine will come and intersect with ophthalm. You never know when things of pediatric What you have studied in pediatric is going to come and help you in ENT. You never know when what you have learned in pharmacology is going to come and help you in psychiatry. So it's a very well-lit branch. So do that. Third thing that I'll tell you is stay connected. I think we are a very virtual world. The power of connection stays. Your seniors are going to be around you. It's going to be a referral based process. The economic aspect, you will not understand it right now, but the more networking you do, the more will it reflect in your economic perspectives. I understand that surviving MBBS life is a very important topic right now. The other thing that I'm going to talk about is beyond the scope of my lectures. I'm going to keep it short, but that's what I was going to tell you. Whenever you're planning a PG branch, it's too early, but start taking your inclinations. मतलब अगर तुम्हें बोन्स को देखकर या 100 को देखकर रश आ रहा है, अगर एड्रेनालिन आ रहा है, तो that is the branch for you. अगर तुम्हें बच्चे बहुत पसंद है, जब भी कोई बच्चा है कि तुम्हें उसे कडल करने का मन कर रहा है, तो उसकी दर्द दूर करने का मन कर रहा है, तो pediatrics is the branch for you. Start working, start preparing. A lot of people question me, when is the right time to start studying PG entrance, etc., etc. I say that the most important time to start studying is right now. It's okay if you wasted your time. I promote a lot of extracurriculars. I promote a lot of going out of the box. Do everything that makes you a big man, but don't lose your touch with studies. There are beautiful journal clubs, and another nice, very small thing that I'll in next minute surviving MBBS. A lot of new things are coming up. There is research perspective बहुत increase हो रहा है आजकल. I think your generation needs to be exposed to the journal culture. Read research papers, read PubMed, read journals. So if you are studying thyroiditis, and if there is a recent drug which has been included in thyroiditis, read that. If you are reading probably glaucoma, if there is a new drug which has been introduced, just do it on Google. I don't expect MBBS people to do what PG people are doing, but at least do some research, do a paper, do a poster, do some research in your MBBS thing. Things are extremely available online. You can always go on Google how to write biostatistics, how to, how to start, how to kind of do a particular research project, how to do statistics. Everything is available on Google. So do that. Okay. These are just the general tips of my life and what I did. Finally, some amount of self-worth. I think Shubham will finish in 5 or 10 minutes. It's absolutely fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You guys are the superheroes. And I think that the fact that on a Sunday afternoon, we did it in form of memes, we did it in form of laughter, we tried to mock MBBS, but at the end of the day, all of you guys are superheroes, because right now I have 267 people who are glued to screen, who are listening to a 10-year senior person blabbering on screen, and trying to gain knowledge. The fact itself that you guys are glued to your screens and trying to take the optimistic world of this entire thing is itself the biggest form of optimism. And trust me, you guys are superheroes. And probably one fine day, somebody of you would make it big. All of you would make it big, but somebody of you would make it really very big. And it's going to be that is going to be the gratitude for me. I'm going to feel nice that yes, there's somebody who did that. Awesome. My story, fine. My story is not a story of failure. My story is a story mixed with success. Did my MBBS, took a year of drop, wanted to take up medicine, could never get medicine because, as I said, I wanted quality of life. I wanted time for myself. I didn't want an emergency branch, but yet I wanted a branch where there is intervention and there is a lot of reward. Things that I did, attended more than 30 to 35 fests, played exceptionally much, studied decent amount, didn't do any vices in my undergraduation. There are 3 things that I say are very important to make a human being. 3 things, which is tip number 3. 1, live in the hostel, which teaches you the most important things of life. Second, break your heart once in your MBBS life. And third, taste the failure of residency and taste the failure of entrance exams. It makes you a human being. These three things are going to make you as a person. Right now, what I was a very stupid individual back then in 2008. Not that I am wise right now, I'm equally stupid right now. Three things: live in a hostel once, break your heart and experience the stress of residency and the stress of taking a drop. These three things will get the metal out of you. This is my life in a nutshell. This is who I am. This is what I do. It's not to flaunt. It's genuinely to motivate you. These are the things that I do. These are the things that happen in my hospital. This was where I was working. It shows subluxation. It shows fluorescent staining. It shows corneal ulcer. I'm equally loud with social media. I feel that social media connects everybody, and social media is what defines you now, and especially in this corona era when this itself is happening on a social media, it is a necessary thing that is happening. These are the camps and these are the social work that we do. Because Auftal is one of the branches in which we kind of need social penetration. There are camps being done. I'm at in Sri Shankaradeva Netralaya right now, which is in Guwahati. We are luckiest enough to explore the eastern parts of the country. Being held at Indo-Bhutan border also. And trust me, once when you do community work, there is no coming back. ये सारा जो urban हमारा touch है, once, and the fifth tip is, once in your lifetime, go to a rural setup. एक बार rural setup में काम करो, and then you will realize that there's nothing so fulfilling. जिन लोगों ने बोला था सर्विस करनी है, एनएट पसंद है, पैसा चाहिए, पेरेंट्स की वजह से वो सारा जो एमबीबीएस का पाई चार्ट है, just go to rural setup once and work, and then you'll realize that you as a human being will be totally different. And these are my social profiles, and I'm sure you guys would go way ahead. I have my 265 superheroes listening. And is fatigued because he's still serving the people in COVID era. And Arpit and Shubham, you guys were fantastic. And this is one of my most favorite quote, which I plan and give it in most of the lectures that I give. तू रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा, थक कर हार के ना रुकना है मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी, मिलने का मजा भी आएगा.
सर आप में तो सर फनी से आप एकदम
इमोशनल सा और सीरियस पे चले गए.
कहाँ चले गए सर आप तो.
That's the beauty of emotions. There are a lot of questions that I'm so sorry I've not been able to answer. I'm active on my social media, bhavyagukani@gmail.com, and my Instagram handle is sarkodagam. I've run out of requests on Facebook. Unfortunately, I won't be able to connect. I also will give you my WhatsApp numbers. In case if you text, I will take time to return. Today it's a holiday for me, but I have a busy schedule and I have a tough week coming ahead. I'll try to be as supportive. और एक बहुत अच्छी वाली स्टोरी है जो मैं फाइनल वाली स्टोरी तुम लोगों को सुनाना चाहूँगा. A week ago, somebody texted me on my WhatsApp कि सर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पीजी एंट्रेंस कैसे क्रैक करना है उसकी टिप्स दे दीजिए. So there's a very beautiful story that I will tell you. Once upon a time, एक बंदा था, एक ब्राह्मण था, उसने गणेश जी की पूजा की. Like सारे देवों महादेवों को छोड़कर उस बंदे ने गणेश जी की पूजा की. So for 1 year he kept on fasting, and 1 year he kept on standing on his leg. For 1 year he kept on fasting. Finally गणेश जी को उस पर दया आ गई. So प्रसन्न होकर गणेश जी प्रकट हुए और गणेश जी ने हाथ दिखाकर उसे बोला कि मांग वत्स, तुझे जो मांगना है, मैं तेरी तपस्या से प्रसन्न हुआ. तो बंदे ने बोला गणेश जी मुझे एक फरारी गाड़ी चाहिए. तो गणेश जी ने बोला भाई मैं खुद अगर चूहे पे जा रहा हूँ तो तुझे मैं फरारी कहाँ से दिला दूँ. और गणेश जी अदृश्य हो गए. So moral of the story, I don't have an answer of the fact कि first attempt में PG entrance कैसे crack करते हैं. Back then when I was in my undergraduates, we had a very different scenario. I can guide you with the most proper things. I can guide you. I can throw some light. I can show you the way. But at the end of the day, it's your life. You are supposed to study and look into the mirror daily. Look into the eyes of your parents. Look into the eyes of your. Make that pie chart why you took up medical and see that every day. Like you owe an answer to yourself. You are 20 years. लोग बाहर ज़्यादा ही उखाड़ रहे हैं. लोग ज़्यादा ही achieve कर रहे हैं. People are achieving phenomenal things out there. Don't sit inside your room marinating away to glory on social media when the world is achieving. Do if it feels good, do what makes you feel happy. But if you are out there to achieve, because there is nothing in the world so satisfying as the smile of achievement and the smile on the face of your parents after you achieve something. So that is the story. These are my
I'm
social...
getting very much texts here. I'm getting private messages about UMA and the organizing committee. So I request everyone to stay. Arpit, जो हमारा दोस्त और host है, he will tell everything. So just a few minutes, stay.
Yeah, I have something dedicated to you guys also. Yeah. So yeah, these are my social networking handles. I'll try to answer as many queries as possible. I'm not sure how I'll be able to, and this is for you guys. Paradox 2020. I love you very, 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 very much. Thank you so much. The fact that I was going through your Instagram handle, it was very kind of Shubham to set this up. And
it was everyone actually, the whole committee.
Yeah, it was. So I think Shubham represents the entire committee. Thank you so much on behalf of the entire committee, because you guys have been doing it. Like, this is achievement. This is exactly the achievement that I was talking about. When there are people who are out there getting drunk in hostels, doing all forms of substance abuses, there is a team which wants to organize Paradox. There is a team which is excited and which is kind of dedicated to doing a fest for medicos on the online platform in this COVID era. इससे सुपर हीरो वाली बात हो ही नहीं सकती. And like शायद
संडे बना दिया सर आपने तो हम लोग
यार मस्ती नहीं कर रहा है. 22 साल. How old are you? How old are both of you?
Sir, 22.
Like at 22, I don't know how achieving I was, or at 22, I didn't know the resources that I had. But यार मतलब यार सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ कि हमारे टाइम इतने रिसोर्स. I come from a generation which had SMSs. एक रुपए में 100 SMS करते थे. हमारे टाइम पे WhatsApp ही नहीं थी. Not that I'm very old. मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा young हूँ यार. अभी तो मैं but just that when I belong to that generation, we had a lot of less resources. But एक तुम्हारी generation से complain है. तुम्हारी generation PUBG generation है, जिम खाना में नहीं दिखती. हम लोग पूरे दिन बैडमिंटन कोर्ट और टेबल टेनिस खेलते थे. So I hope your generation makes it more productive, and undergraduation is the best phase of your life. Residency आएगी, employment आएगा, eventually matrimonial aspects आएंगे, जब तुम पर expectations आएगी, a lot of things around you will change. This time is the most important time. अगर तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे ये करना, अगर तुम्हें 2 दिन बिगाड़ने, तुम्हें पूरा दिन PUBG खेलना है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, करो. तुम्हें दिल से पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ मैं PUBG खेल रहा हूँ और मैं मेरा पूरा दिन बिगाड़ूं. अगर कहीं जाकर अचीव करना है कि भाई मुझे 2 या 3 साल के बाद ये चीज करने, आज मेरा छोटा भाई है वो 11th standard में, he came and told me that I have one dream that I want to give a TED talk when I'm in my college. So that is the level of dreams that we see. There are people who want a social media page again. So just a second. This is my social media page. This is my handle. I'll be probably more active. Prefer texting me on Instagram rather than. I'll appreciate if I'll try to answer your queries as much as possible, but for me a lot of time. I'll take time to revert. And your Instagram handles are amazing, Arpit and Shubham. Thank you so much for everything that you have done, and I'm really happy. Nothing gives you satisfaction as a senior than your juniors doing the most constructive things on a Sunday. afternoon. It's already afternoon right now. We have shot up our time too much.
Yes, sir.
And I correct, you guys are not my juniors. You guys are my colleagues.
Sir, आप
No, I don't like, see, I'm very specific with this and I don't believe in this, but I'm very serious. Like 5 years down the line, we probably have a psychiatrist or a surgeon, and we have another neurosurgeon, or we have another cardiosurgeon, or we have another orthopedics who knows that probably a case of myasthenia gravis with ptosis, मैं किसी न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट के साथ जो इसी चैट बॉक्स पर है इसमें से बैठकर वो चीज़ सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, और प्रोबेबली इनमें से ही कोई ऑफ्थेल में आकर जाकर रेटिना बन जाए या कोई न्यूरो ऑफ्थेल में कोई पाथ ब्रेकिंग चीज करे, एंड आई वुड बी अ स्टूडेंट टू यू गाइस. एंड इट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट मेडिकल that we always say कि we are doing a medical practice. We are students through our entire lives. I'm a student, you are a student, all of us are students to each other, and it's a constant process. Like Shubham, your perseverance, Arpit, your constant social media presence, these things were beautiful. Like I've never seen somebody so patient as Shubham. I'm very sorry if there were schedules which did not intersect. There were times when I was in the OT or I was in the OPD, I could not answer your calls. I'm very apologetic for that.
No, sir,
And
no, sir.
Thank you so much for everything. I
really
request
love you to just stay for 2-3 minutes. Arpit will introduce our committee, and then we have national officers of Unified Medicos Association here. So just a few more minutes.
Yes, sir. We want you to, sir, know every one of the organizers.
Please, I would. It would be a pleasure to me. Please.
Yes.
And can I do one thing? Can I shut the PPT so that I get your entire screen? And I also want a nice photograph with you guys. Very nice online or something like that.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll do that. Okay.
Yeah, I'll share the.
And to my entire audience which is here, I love all of you. Thank you so much for being with me. All the 238 people who are left right now. I love all of you. Like all of us. Shubham is there. Arpit is there. All of us are just one text away. So thank you so much. We love you. And please get your committee here. Get your committee here.
Sir, I request you to turn off the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Screen share.
And I request Akansha
Shreya,
and Shreya, Ishani, Anmol to open your cameras.
Yeah.
Yes, Anmol, we have. Sir, I also want to thank you, sir, for accepting in one in मुझे याद है सर कि मैंने जुलाई के एंड में आपको फेसबुक पे मैसेज किया था, एक फॉर्मल मैसेज करके कि वी आर डूइंग दिस और आपने सीधे मतलब दे ही दिया था नंबर कि लो कर लेना बात मुझसे. So thank you, sir, for
I'm very specific here. There are things that I really expect, and I'm. It's a way all of us are exceptionally easy and very nice, connected society. It's okay, yaar. Bata diya. Oh, lovely, yaar. This is nice. This looks very
I
nice.
hope my screen share is visible to all. Arpit, can you?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourselves. Whenever you take the name, I would want to do hi to individual people.
Yeah. So first of all, I'll give a overview about Unified Medicos Association. So it's a representative voluntary organization of for and by the medical students and for medical practitioners in India, and we also have a branch in abroad for the Indian students who are studying in abroad. And Unified Medicos Association shall work for the safeguard, protect the interests and rights of all the medical students and medical practitioners. And those who were texting me about the membership and everything, we will provide all the details on the WhatsApp group that we have made. All the membership forms and everything will be given there. We have a website, we have Instagram handles, and very soon we will have that LinkedIn handle also. We have Facebook handles. You can visit everything and you can just text us if you need any help. And now I hand over the platform to Arpit. Arpit.
Yes. So, sir, शुभम हमारे चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड हैं और मैं एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड. आकांक्षा हमारी चीफ ऑपरेटिंग हेड. आकांक्षा, प्लीज गिव अ शाउट आउट. say
Yeah.
hi.
Hi. Yeah, she's there.
Somebody is muted.
Okay, I'll unmute you.
Hello, sir. It was a great session, sir.
Thank you
We
so
really
much. Akanksha.
enjoyed.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, and all the best. Stay
Thank you,
safe.
sir.
Yeah, stay happy.
You too, sir.
Shreya, Shreya is our chief marketing head. Shreya, please.
Can't find Shreya here. Is she here?
Can you find Shreya? Anmol Singhal, our chief financial head. Anmol.
Yeah,
Hi, Anmol.
Unmute yourself.
He's the money man. He's the money man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for this lovely session. I enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, the pleasure is equally mine, and you are the money man. So I'll call you Bruce Wayne from now.
And sir, we have Ishani. Sir, she's our club president of Toes and Tongues. Sir, वो music and cultural president है, sir. She's herself is a very nice singer, and also
So we have Sakshat Saraswati ji here.
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was very nice, and you it was like पूरा आप वापस ले आए सारा फर्स्ट ईयर से लेकर लास्ट ईयर तक. बहुत अच्छा था. मुझे बहुत अच्छा
यार
लगा.
मेरा खुद का वापस आ गया है यार. साल हो गया मैं 2008 बैच से. मुझे अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure.
And the whole organizing committee which organized this whole event, they are not, I don't know if they are present over here. We have 60 volunteers, state heads. The national team, I think they are present here. Himanshu is present, COVID is present. They are all the organizers actually. They are from the national team of Unified Medicos Association. Everyone is present here. I think it will be difficult to introduce one by one everyone. So मैं सबके behalf पे सर को thank you बोलना चाहता हूँ for this great event, and especially आपने इतनी जल्दी हमारा proposal accept कर लिया. मैं तो सोच नहीं रहा था reply भी आएगा, but साथ ही एकदम से message आ गया. I'm really grateful to you.
Of course, anytime anybody feel free. It's accessibility is the key. Yeah, that's okay. That's absolutely
and
fine.
All the registrations, links, and everything I will WhatsApp.
Shubham,
yeah.
Shubham, that memento is ready, na? So
yeah, memento is ready.
Can
but
we show that memento? Or
Oh my God!
Sir,
Okay.
specially बनाया sir.
Actually, वो phone में है. मैं 1 मिनट निकालता हूँ. 2 मिनट दो.
This is the first time on an online platform this is happening. So thank you so much.
थोड़ा सा ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
सर उसमें सर
मिलता है तो मुझे भेज दो फटाफट.
तो उसमें सर एक लैटिन में कोट है और उसका ही ट्रांसलेशन इंग्लिश में कि इन सर कि मतलब you are a light in the darkness. So
I'm sorry. It's not audible.
Actually, there are too many links on WhatsApp. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll search.
I'm sorry. It's not Arpit. What did you just say?
Sir, the memento जो है सर उसमें सर एक लैटिन में कोट है जो मैंने ही बनाया सर. अचानक से आइडिया आया तो मैंने लिख दिया था कि you are.
उसकी बात कर रहा है क्या वो लक्स इन टेब्रिस ऐसा कुछ है ना उसका?
नहीं सर ये मेरा सेल्फ.
तेरा खुद का कोट है. अरे वाह, लवली. I would love to see that.
सर तो
love to see that. I would love to see.
Okay, sir, we are getting memento. Just a few minutes.
That's okay. I'm thankful.
Cut off the screen share. अब सारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं. जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी वाले, नेशनल टीम वाले, सारे वीडियोस ऑन कर सकते हो. विल टेक अ ग्रुप फोटो. एंड सर ये ईश बंधु हमारा ये सारा इसने स्ट्रीमिंग का सारा यही कर रहा. अभी मैसेज आ रहा था इसका मुझे अभी.
So is the Tony Stark? He's the tech freak of the group.
Yes sir. Tech पूरा सर
सारा इसी ने हैंडल किया है टेक्नोलॉजी वाला पार्ट.
यार ये मुझे चैट बॉक्स में भी ईश बंधु लिखा हुआ है क्या? ये अच्छा हैंडल है.
और सर फोटोग्राफी भी काफी अच्छी करता है सर. इसको मतलब टैलेंटेड बहुत है ये अपना.
Send me the links of your photographs. I would love to see them.
Sure.
I'll share the photo now. Just 60 seconds only. I will share it now.
That's okay. पहले group से photo ले लेते हैं सबके साथ.
Yeah. I hope who's clicking the screenshot ले लो laptop से.
सब यो करवा दो सबसे.
Yo.
मैं ले.
या आयुष लेगा.
Done.
Okay. I have done.
Thank you.
That's it.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, you're sharing something. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This finally. ये हमारी डिजाइन टीम एक अलग है. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे डिजाइन्स बनाए हैं. I hope everyone is present here.
Thank you so much, man. This is a pleasure. Thank you. I kind of with a hypothetical hat on a Sunday afternoon, I bow down and say thank you, man. Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So
I'll mail you.
Take a leave now. Yeah, please mail me that.
Yeah.
I'll take a leave.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Love you guys. Please stay safe. Must stay safe. Keep doing the beautiful job.
Yes,
and thank you so much for everybody, for this, everyone. Thank you. I'll take a leave. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So this was actually every good thing has to come to an end, and so this also has come to a very, very befitting and a beautiful end. So I want to congratulate every viewer who had taken the pain to come and watch this session. And I also want to answer the query that yes, certificates will be provided in the WhatsApp groups. There is no post-event form or anything as such. You will be given certificates, so no problem with that, please. Okay. I hope you have viewed this entire session and must have taken something to learn. Okay. सिर्फ certificates की बात नहीं थी है ना? तो certificates तो सबको मिलेंगे. लेकिन I hope कि आप सबने कुछ ना कुछ you must have got something, some insights which you will be using in the future. And I hope we all will survive the medical school nicely. Isn't it?
All the organizing committee and everyone. और organizing committee में सब आते हैं. उत्तराखंड वाले हमारे जिन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया, नेशनल टीम से जिन्होंने भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया, मुझे सबके एक के नाम लेना, आई एम सॉरी, यहाँ पे बहुत मुश्किल है. So I won't be able to take everyone's name, but I am addressing you everyone. So I hope to, okay, then we will end this session. And UMA registrations link, memberships link, मैं सारे WhatsApp पे डाल दूँगा.
Yes.
Every link will be sent on WhatsApp.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
So, Tata, bye-bye. Stay safe.
Yeah.
And we'll meet tomorrow on Manas the Mind.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
That was also another question. Okay, I'll tell the answer. And Manas the Mind is tomorrow at 4 p.m. I hope you all have registered. Those who have not registered yet, you can visit our website. I will share the link. You can register for that. And we will have that session tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.